Hey there, artists! Welcome to Digital School for Kids. Today we're going to draw the alphabet, A to Z. Ready? Let's get started. Draw a slanted line up. Draw another slanted line down. Add a horizontal line across the middle. Yay! That's A. Next one. Draw a straight line down. Draw one bump on top. Draw another bump below it. Boom! That's B. Keep going. Start at the top. Make a big curve like a crescent moon. Easy peasy. That's C. What's next? Draw a straight line down. Add one big curved bump to the right. Done. That's D. Let's move on. Draw a straight line down. Add 3 lines, top, middle, and bottom. Excellent. That's E. Next letter. Draw a straight line down. Add a line on top. Add a smaller line in the middle. Fantastic. That's F. Keep it up. Draw a big C shape. Add a short line in the middle going right. Great job. That's G. Moving on. Draw one line down. Draw another line down. Connect them in the middle. Hooray! That's H. Next one. Draw a straight line down. Incredible. That's I. Let's keep going. Start at the top, go down and curve to the left. Just like that, it's J. Let's do the next one. Draw a straight line down. Add a slanted line up. Add a slanted line down. Cool, that's K. Next letter. Draw a straight line down. Add a line to the right. Lovely, that's L. Next one. Draw one straight line down. Come down again. Draw another line down. That's M. Draw one straight line down. Slant a line across. Draw another line down. Nice. That's N. Keep going. Draw a big round circle. Outstanding. That's O. What's next? Draw a straight line down. Draw a small curve on top. Perfect. That's P. Let's move on. Draw a big round circle. Add a tiny tail at the bottom. Quick and easy. That's Q. Next letter. Draw a straight line down. Add a small curve on top. Draw a slanted line down. Right on. That's R. Keep it up. Start like a small curve. Then curve the other way. Super. That's S. Draw a straight line down. Add a line across the top. Terrific. That's T. Moving on. Start at the top, curve down and up again. Unbelievable. That's U. Next one. Draw a slanted line down. Draw another slanted line up. Very good. V. Let's keep going. Slant down. Go up and down again. Go back up. Wow. That's W. Let's do the next one. Draw one slanted line down. Draw another slanted line crossing it. Excellent. That's X. Next letter. Start with 2 slanted lines meeting. Add a straight line going down. Yes, that's Y. Last one coming up. Draw a line across. Slant down. Draw a line across the bottom. Zippity, Z, that's Z. You did it.